You've probably seen this kind of content blowing up on YouTube and getting millions upon millions of views. Let me show you how you can do the same. If you're wondering who I am, I recently grew a channel that reached to 24 million views on total, and I also have a video that has crossed 10 million views. I'm currently waiting for this channel to get monetized by YouTube so that I can start earning. To create this kind of content, we're going to be using 3 simple steps. We're going to be using Google AI Studios, we're going to be using Grok AI, and we're going to be using CapCut to edit the videos. So stick around so that I may give you the bonus tips on how you can make your own video and make it go viral, the same way these guys are going viral and earning millions of money. You'll head over to any channel that creates this resin, and then once you identify a video that you like, copy the video's URL. Head over to any website that downloads YouTube videos. Click on the website and paste the link for the video. This will allow you to download the video that you've just watched. After you've downloaded the video to your device, open your browser and head over to Google AI Studio. Click on Playground, then head over to Google Gemini Pro Preview. This option allows you to upload your files. Then upload the video that you just downloaded and then write this prompt. Analyze the video, every scene in details. I'll link that prompt in the description. After writing that prompt, continue and say this: create prompts for each scene so that it can be used on an AI video to produce similar movements and effects. This is what Google gave me. In order to escape the YouTube copyright, I'll have to create something else. So I'll tell it, rewrite the prompt the same way, replacing the jigsaw puzzles with the round wood, logs of wood. So at this point, I'm going to open up Whisk AI. And then paste the prompt that I have in the Whisk AI. This will create a photo of a lady, like you can see. I'll later download the photo of the lady. So at this point, I'm going to open up my Grok AI. This is the interface of Grok. Then Grok AI allows you to create videos from images. I'll upload my image that I downloaded into Grok. Then I'll head over to Google AI Studios. The prompt, which is assembling, I'll paste it in the Grok AI. I'll say no background music, only sound effects. This is the video that I got. I'll open up my CapCut and then I'll paste this video into CapCut. I'll head over to the end of the video. Then there are 3 lines that are on top. I'll head there and export a still image. That image, I'll paste it and save it as image number 2. This will enable to create the next scene that is going to be used by my video. So once I paste the video into Whisk AI, the image that I've created into Whisk AI, it may refuse because it is in PNG. And Whisk AI only allows you to upload images that are in JPEG. So for this, I'll head over to I love IMG, and then I'll convert the image that is in PNG to JPG. So now that I have the image and I've downloaded it, I'll head over to Whisk AI again and try pasting the new JPG image, and it will get accepted. Then remove the lady from the image. Then I hit generate. There is the image without the lady. Then I'll say evenly fill the room with the logs of wood. Then it will create the image with the logs of wood filled evenly. So here's what I was able to get from the generator. Then I'll head over to Grok AI, paste the image, and then I'll head over to Google AI Studios, copy the prompt again, paste it onto Grok AI, and then tell Grok AI with no background music but just sound effects, and then I'll hit onto generate. So this is the video I got during the first time. So I wasn't pleased, so I clicked again, and this is what I ended up going with. Then I paste the video I have just downloaded into my CapCut, and at the end I also export the still image at the end to enable to create the next scene. I save it, then I'll as I have saved it to my device, so I'll head over to Whisk and paste the image that I just exported, and then I'll say let the resin evenly cover the floor, and I ended up with getting this image, and I saved the image and pasted it into Grok AI. Now in Grok AI, I took the prompt from the prompt that was generated, and I pasted the prompt into the Grok AI. Then at the end I added no background music, just sound effects, and as you can see, there's a lady, she's buffering the floor as described. So I download the image, the video, and paste it into CapCut. So let's watch the video how it has turned out to this point, and it's turning out well. I export the still image to enable me to create the next part. Then I'm going to open up Whisk AI. The floor is well covered, and then I'll say make the windows look better and more beautiful than, yeah, and more beautiful. Then takes its time, and this is what it gave me. The windows look more beautiful now, and the flow is a bit better. So I'll paste it back to Grok AI, and then head over to my prompt, copy it, paste it onto Grok AI, and then say no background music, just sound effects, and then hit generate. And this is what I got first. I wasn't so happy with it, so I hit again, and after hitting again, this is what I got, and I think it looks much better. So I'm going to save it and paste it into CapCut. After pasting, I'll export the still image at the end. I'll head over to Grok AI, and now I'm going to paste the image at the end. Then I'll head over to the prompts that I had and paste it, and say no background music, just sound effects. So here's what I got. I'll paste it. This is the final product that I got. Ensure that the video is quite short, because the length of these videos are around 10 seconds, so that it can move fast and then can keep the audience fixed the screen.